That's the hole he dug over there to dig it out. That's him. Now we got this idiot trying to dig. Now we're going to move over here, and this is my tree. Think I'm kidding? Oh yeah, here, let's dig a hole over here, says Mr. McCool. Mr. Mackenzie, you're going to eat the roots. Oh, me? No. And this is Mr. McGuire having his rock breakfast. Actually, his dinner. Stop chewing. Maybe you can hear him crunching on it. McGuire, what do you got? Give Mommy that. Give Mommy that. Mr. McGuire, give Mommy that. Get your nose out of there, you shithead. I can't see if this is taping right because I'm holding it on the ground. McGuire, give me that rock. Give Mommy that rock. Give me 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 that rock. Get off of him, you. Give me that rock. I don't know if you're getting this or not. Give me that rock, along with the shit over here. Give me that rock. Nah, my rock. My rock. This is my rock, Mommy. Look at my rock. Look at the face. Look at the face. Ah, yuck. Let's throw the rock over there. Go get the rock. Come on, give me that rock. Give me that rock. Give me that. Give me that rock. Give me that rock. Oh my God, look at this shit. This is my yard. Yeah. There's the. Oh. Who we got over here? There he goes. He got it again. He's going. He's going with it. Here he goes. There he goes. I'm following him. And there's my tree roots. My tree roots. Yeah, I think I'm kidding, huh? Yeah, it could topple too. McGuire, give me that. Hey, shut up.